Right, I thought I'd add just one more little bonus video here. You can do everything you need to do for this course's data analysis just with what we've learned, but here's just one little bonus command that you may like. I'm back to the student grade table, which has their scores and everything. And I'll go to the pivot table for it. And just want to show you something here when talking about percentages. Sometimes you can get percentage. If it's an easy one, you can get it a little bit fast. For instance, let's say I want to know what percentage of the students are grade 10 in the school. I could say add by grade and values. Let's say I start off with counting the student IDs. So let's just do a count A. Let me make this bigger for you here. And so it's counted how many students are in the school. And because we have the totals, right, you get to see the grand total there. Saving you the time of going, let's say, what percentage are grade 12s and going 107 divided by 525, I can do this. You can set the default here as percentage of grand total. And boom, it'll just show you the percentage right away. I mean, it saves you a little bit of time, right? So that was just a little bonus there that we gave you.